So the Auto Shop program is pretty special because in the Auto 1 classes, we kind of learn, I always like to say that students learn how cars work, and we go through all the major technologies, things like, first we do tools and safety, and then we do engines, powertrain, that includes transmissions, drivetrain, all that kind of stuff. Then we do the electrical unit. After electrical, right now we're actually doing suspension and steering. Eventually we get into the braking system, and then later we talk about wheels and tires, and students learn how to actually take wheels and tires off of cars. That's the Auto 1 class. And then in the Auto 2 class, I like to say that it's kind of where you learn how to work on cars. So Auto 1 is how cars work, Auto 2 is how to work on cars. So we have a multitude of shop projects. One of them is our 67 Beetle that you see here that was donated last year. We have a 1954 Chevy that was donated, and then a multitude of other projects. Students bring vehicles in, and we get to do real hands-on work and understand how to do real industry certified type of repairs and maintenance. The great thing about learning any of these skills is that, you know, once they're in your head and once you actually have the true knowledge to do this kind of stuff, no one can take that away from you.